Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Slack app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the language of the Slack app to your preferred language. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the Slack app. Next, on the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon name. Then go ahead and click on Preferences on the bottom hand side. From here, go ahead and scroll down to where it says Languages and Region. Click on Language, then go ahead and set your preferred language, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the language of the Slack app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.